Alright, y'all. I don't recall doing one of these in a while, so I figured I'd do one now. We're going to use the SpeedClean in a weekly vacuum video. Enjoy. I'm sorry it's in the dark, but yeah, we got a light. Uh-oh. I can already tell it needs a bell. You can already tell the thing needs a belt, so yeah, let's go ahead and get the day room. That's all I can really do right now, so here we go. Yeah, my sister's crazy kitty. Alright, well, we'll go ahead and turn on a light since we're about to do the outro. Actually, that one. Yeah, so there it is. It obviously needs a belt, so I'll get that replaced once I find out what kind of belts fit it, because I'm pretty sure Oric belts will not. I mean, I could try one, like maybe the one out of the other two speed, and see if they'll fit, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be something else that fits it. So until then, tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I think I really am going to, next Monday, go up to the pawn shop and pay the $46 that's left to pay for the Kirby Avalier so that I can bring it home. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this. If you haven't already, be sure you do comment, or you do subscribe and turn on notifications. And until next time, bye y'all.